Okay, so after you receive this all-metal Unimog U535 for with radiomaster radio, first power on the radio.
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning.
Any key. And for the battery of this, first lift up engine cover, pulling this bar to forward to unlock the cabin. And then you can lift up from rear side. After lift up all the way to forward, keep the engine cover lift all the way to this position. Downside supporting bar, it is locked in position. So now pulling this lock to right side, unlock it, the pin, see it's coming out. Then you can pull in this one, move it to top, slide into top. That's the battery chamber. Can put 2S battery, using 2S battery XT60 connection. So that's the maximum size. 2S, 4000 mAh, that's the biggest battery you can put inside. Battery pushed in. Now I just this one have power. Yeah. Normally you're using this one. So battery push in, unlock it, unlock, align it, pushing down, lock it. For putting the cabin down, lift up forward engine cover, pulling this bar. Now not pulling now. Yeah. You have to hold the cabin, hold it, pulling the bar left side, the finger pulling it. It's unlocked. Pulling, check from here. Pulling, locked, pull and unlock, then put it down. So when pushing it down, the cabin pull a little bit, align this pin, lock pin, and pushing down, it is locked. So radio on, battery connected, power it on. Unimog U535 with light system and sound system. So let's see how this one working and the radio settings. It's at low speed gear, 3-speed gear, middle, high speed, shifting back to low. That's the low speed, full ahead. Drive wheel turning together with steering. Open the door, turning right, turning left. So steering by turning wheel. Drive by the push stick, forward, backward. And the light control, it is light system combined with drive and steering. So steering, pushing to, turning to right side, holding 5 seconds. Changing, release, short turning, changing, short turning, circulating, yeah. And now to access the light system, turning to left, short time. Now getting out of the light system. So when you drive, you turn it, cannot control the light system. Only when stop, you can change in the light. Let's see the speed. So at the differential. This one, that's the control speed. Pushing to middle speed. Engaged. Pushing to left, high speed. Shifting back to middle. Low. This P1 switch, turning it to changing rear drive to rear and forward drive and shifting to 4x4 drive. So turning to left, that's the rear drive at differential. Turning to middle, that is 4 drive at differential. Turning to right side, that's 4x4 differential lock. All wheels driver. So normally 4x4 at a differential, it's for normal driving. That's 3-speed shifting gear servo, shifting, middle, low. Here, one servo controlling the rocker arm, pushing the bar to release and straighten the 2 wires, one for differential lock, one for rear drive and rear and fore drive. So let's see, when you're turning it, see this servo how it's turning. Rear drive at a differential, rear and forward drive at a differential, rear and forward drive 4x4 differential lock. Okay, turning back to 4x4 at a differential. For the sound system and the speaker, it is inside this box. It's our customized one. So control by P2, turning to left, start, turning to right, drive, for volume adjust, turning P2 to right side middle, turning to middle, reduce. If you're turning all the way, that's the horn. Turning half, reduce. Turning to left, half, increase. Return to middle. Check rear side light, turning left, turning right, drive forward, brake, reverse. Or left door and the right door can be open. Turning around to see inside 3D print decoration. Here, pulling back, open the cover. So this right stick can be pushed down. This one cannot. Only this one you can push it down for throttle, yeah. And the seat, pressing down, can sliding forward. Pressing down, sliding backward. Drive wheel, control board, can press down, different level, tilting angle. 3, right side seat, pressing down, also can sliding forward. Pressing down, sliding backward. The rear side door can open first, then open side door. All this bucket can be removed by pin. Also same tool at left side. That's the pin connection to the ball connection. And also here, have a look of this one. That's the connection for the hinge. And also here, pulling to backside, can open and sliding to remove. So now you can see the gearbox and CVT drive shaft. Okay, now let's go to see the radio settings. Click MDL. And now it's model number 1, U535. Next page. That's set up. Normally here it's only for binding. All this timing that's not used here. It's only for fly drone. So here that's internal IF. So multi-mode type Risca X. So D16. Now it is combined with binded with one 8-channel receiver. So channel range 1 to 16. Actually, it's only using channel 1 to 8. Here, that's the binding receiver from here. Next page. Next. Next. So here the mixes, that's the channel settings. So CH1, that's the TH, that's for drive, controlled by this one. CH2ST, that's steering. CH3S1, control for EDS. S1, that's this button. For rear drive, rear and forward drive, and 4x4 differential lock, all controlled by this switch. So channel 4, controlled by SA, shifting gear, setting by this switch, SA. So this side low speed, pushing to middle speed, pushing down, high speed. Channel 5, also controlled by steering, that's the wheel, drive wheel turning. Drive wheel connected to channel 5, controlled by turning switch. Channel 6, S2, channel 6, S2, that's the sound, controlled by P2. So channel 6 has another setting control, controlled by SC. SC is for the horn. Horn, turning to right, you can control. Turning to left for engine sound. Turning to middle, increase. Turning to middle, decrease sound. And for the horn, also can control by SC. Channel 7, that's steering signal light. Controlled also by steering. Channel 8, that's the drive throttle light. Forward. So channel 8 sees the drive throttle light. Forward, brake, reverse, steering. That's channel 7 and channel 8 for steering and throttle light. So channel 1 and channel 2, drive and steering, that's fixed to switch. Let's say, for example, channel 5 or channel 4. Channel 4, SA for shifting gear. Let's go inside to see the setting. Now choosing channel 4 and long time click and go to edit, click. So here we'll see name it, shift, source, choose SA for shifting gear, SA, that's the name. And the weight means the endpoint is negative 100 to positive 100, middle is 0, offset 0. So here you also can set up control curve, but it's a 3-section switch, no need control curve. So this radio can do a lot more settings, but for now it's not necessary for this truck. Return. That's all channel 1 to channel 8 settings. Also, next page, here you can see all the channel, the endpoints. Yeah, edit, channel 1. So you can see subtrim, negative side, negative 100, positive side, positive 100. So for the steering for each channel, if you want changing how much for the endpoint, you can change it from here, return. Thank you for watching. We can paint in different color for you. Thank you, bye.